If you are in need of wheel repair in the Jefferson Park neighborhood of Chicago, Illinois, you have come to the right place. Tom & Jerry's Auto Body, we specialize in restoring damaged wheels to their original condition. During the wheel repair process, we address issues such as bends, cracks, and cosmetic damage to the rims. Our skilled technicians use precise tools and techniques to ensure your wheels are not only looking great but are also safe for driving. Wheel repair at Tom & Jerry's Auto Body includes checking for alignment issues and balancing the wheels after repair. To get your car's wheels fixed, call Tom & Jerry's Auto Body today for an estimate on wheel repair services.